I want to thank everybody for braving the winter roads and weather, for coming here and celebrating with Amanda and Adam this very special day. I'm Amanda's dad. I think back about 20-some years ago, actually 10,624 days ago, I held a little baby daughter, about 7 pounds, and I had a tear going down my eye. And Ann asked me, what are you thinking, Bode? And I was a little bit conflicted. I was so happy to have a daughter, but I was thinking someday I'm gonna walk this daughter down an aisle and I'm gonna give her away. I didn't know how that was gonna feel. Well, that was today. Seeing Amanda take her first step, ride the bike for the first time, catch her first fish, which we still have, mounted on the wall. First time she shot a deer, 29 years later, I'm not crying sad tears. I have happy tears to walk Amanda down the aisle.
Amanda and Adam, today is your wedding day. The 3 qualities that Adam said stands out about Amanda are that she's kind, that she's funny, and smart. The 3 qualities that Amanda loves about Adam are his patience, his kindness, and his sense of humor. And in my time of getting to know the two of you, it's just been so evident the mesh that you have together, the relationship that you have together.
To my husband, I can't believe our wedding day is here. From being friends for years to boundary waters, dating, dogs, and getting engaged. Since I met you, I've always loved getting to hang out and see you. Whenever the Sams had a party, I'd always ask if you would be there. You always want to make sure I'm comfortable and feel loved.
Amanda, the first time I met you, I knew you were special. I knew shortly after our first kiss that I loved you, and soon after that I started thinking about marriage.
It is my privilege and joy to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Adam and Amanda Ewald.
Adam, you were not very nice to me at my wedding. So I've had a long time, a couple years to think about what I wanted to say about you. And thought I could do something a little different.
Here's the text I got back from Amanda after the first date at Herd and Horns. She said, "We talked about the idea of dating a little bit, and we're both down to give it a shot. We are not officially dating, but seeing where it goes. I'm honestly so happy, I want to cry happy tears."
I am lucky enough to have a person who has loved me and cared about me truly and makes every single day better. And as an older brother, you always want that for your siblings.
Adam, who is a man of few words, texted me, "Mom, Amanda and I are finally dating. And I ask you to please note his choice of word, finally." I said, "Like it was destined."
They say home is where the heart is, and it's right where we belong. Doesn't matter where we come from, there's a place for everyone.
Everyone wants their best friends to be that happy, and mine just happened to find it with my brother-in-law. Yeah!
I have never seen you smile so much. I have never seen you laugh so much. I have never seen this better part of your personality as when you've been with Amanda. So I can definitively tell you, you have found your person.
So I would love for us all to raise a glass, be able to toast to this beautiful journey that they have together, and many blessings along the way. Cheers.